Today, I'll show you how to export your data from Wave Accounting. Whether you're switching platforms, need to analyze your data in a different format, or simply want to back up your information, exporting your data is a crucial task. Let's dive into the process and make it as straightforward as possible. First, begin by logging into your Wave Accounting account. Once you're on your dashboard, you'll notice your business name located at the top right corner of the screen. Give it a click. This action opens a drop-down menu where you will find various options related to your account and business settings. From this drop-down menu, select Business Settings. This section is like your command center for all things related to your business configuration in Wave. It allows you to tweak and adjust various aspects of your account to suit your business needs better. Now, with the settings page open, direct your attention to the navigation sidebar on the left side of the screen. Scroll down until you reach the section labeled Other. In this section, you'll find an option called Data Export. Click on Data Export to proceed to the next step. Once you're on the Data Export page, you'll see a list of different data packages that you can request. Depending on your needs, you can choose to export specific types of data. Let's break these options down so you can decide what to export. The first option is Accounting. Selecting this will download a zip archive that contains 4 distinct spreadsheets in the XLS or CSV format. These spreadsheets include your journal entries and transactions, bill items, customer profiles, and vendor profiles. This comprehensive package is perfect if you need a thorough overview of your accounting data, or if you're moving to a new accounting system and want to ensure you bring all your critical information with you. The second option is Receipts. If you choose this, you'll receive a zip file containing every physical receipt image you have ever uploaded to Wave. Each receipt will be in its original file format, which is incredibly handy for maintaining a backup of your expense documentation or if you need to transfer them for other financial purposes. After you've selected the data packages you wish to export, the next step is simple. Click on Export. This action will initiate the download process, and within moments, you'll have your data ready on your computer, stored neatly in zip files. And that's it. You've now successfully exported your data from Wave Accounting. Remember, having a backup of your financial data is essential for your business continuity and peace of mind. Make it a habit to export and save your data regularly, especially if you're about to make significant changes in your accounting processes or platforms. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful and that you feel confident in managing your data within Wave. If you have any questions or run into any issues, Wave's support resources are a great place to find additional information. Thanks for tuning in and happy exporting.